Hello, hello, RTÉjr, our deliveries to you. Hands up. Let's make a sign. A sign to say, hands up. Dizzy, Dizzy, Dizzy. Hello, hello, here is Joe. Hands up. Hello, hello, RTÉjr, deliveries to you. Hands up. Let's make a sign to show. Hands up. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Oh, hello. I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery.
And I'm Aisling. I'm the boss. Hello, Joe. Did I give you a surprise?
Yes,
I'm sorry.
it's okay. Do you have a delivery for me?
Yes, I do.
Is it on my Dizzy device?
Yes. You are going to the school to deliver some paper, yellow paint, and a book.
Okay, I'll go.
Joe, remember, wherever you go, there'll be someone to help you. Laurie May will help you with your deliveries. She is waiting for you at the school with her teacher, Niamh.
We're ready. Off to the school.
Hands up.
Hi, I'm Glenda. Welcome to our school.
Hello, I'm Joe. And this is Ozzy. And I have some deliveries for you. But I can't remember what they are. Paper, some paint, and a book. I have them on my bike.
Oh, there's the school bell. I must go to class.
Okay, Ozzy, I've some deliveries to make.
Let's love sign. School. School. You sign. School. Good. School.
Hello, everybody.
I'm Miss McCormack, and this is Laurie May.
Hello, Laurie May. How did you know who I was?
We are waiting on a delivery from Dizzy Deliveries. It's a special day, and we're making a present for our Principal, Glenda.
Ah, it's a surprise. This is a lovely class.
Today is a special day. We are making a book for our Principal Glenda.
Oh.
It's going to be a book of pictures. We are going to paint the pictures.
You're going to paint a picture?
Yes.
You'll need paper for that. Wait here.
Some paper.
Thank you, Joe. Paper to paint the pictures.
Let's love sign. Paint. Paint. You sign. Paint. Good. Paint.
Can I paint a picture too? Yes! Great!
Laurie May, what's your favorite color? Yellow? We have no yellow. I know. Wait here.
I got good news. I have some yellow paint.
That's blue.
Oh, it's blue.
You need to go get another one.
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing. But there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Hey, Ozzy, look at all these lovely paintings.
These are nice pictures, Joe. Principal Glenda is going to love them.
She will.
Look, there's Laurie May's picture. We were going to put them in a book, but we don't have a book.
A book? Of course, my final delivery. Wait here. A book? Why do you need a book?
We are going to put the pictures in the book.
Ah, a present for a great teacher.
But it's a surprise.
A present for a great teacher.
Let's love sign. Teacher. Teacher. You sign. Teacher. Good. Teacher.
Oh, thank you. More.
Listen to Joe.
Oh,
That's great. Now we can put the pictures in the book.
Hooray! She's coming!
Get down. Left side. Come on. Left side. Come on.
surprise!
There you are.
Principal Glenda, come and take a seat.
Come on, sit down.
We made this book to say thank you to you for being such a nice teacher.
Lovely. Thank you. Beautiful.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you, Principal Glenda.
And thank you for being such a wonderful class.
Oh, you goose.
Oh, beautiful. Who did that one? And thank you for being such a wonderful delivery man.
Thank you. Principal Glenda said I was a great delivery man.
Oh, hello, I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, Aisling.
What are you doing?
Practicing?
Practicing?
Yes. I wanted to show you a card trick, and I had to practice because I wanted to be a really good card trick. Wait a minute. All of these cards are different. Now, pick one, but don't let me see. Any one you want.
This one.
Now, look at it.
Okay.
Okay, put it back anywhere in there. Was this your card?
Yes! You are good at card tricks, Joe.
Thank you. Now, do you have a delivery for me?
Yes. Here it is. All the details are on your device. Today, Joe, you will be delivering bin bags, an oil can, and a bucket and sponge to the bus depot. And remember, wherever you go, there will be someone to help you.
Hello, Joe. I'm back.
Jack and his mammy are waiting for you. He'll help you with your deliveries.
Great.
How did he do it?
Let's go.
Hello, I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. who are you?
Cat.
And who are you?
Mummy.
Hello, Jack's mommy.
Hello.
What are you doing here?
Ladybird.
Great. I'll wait here with you.
Let's love sign. Wait. Wait. You sign. Wait. Good. Wait.
Jack,
Yes.
I have some deliveries for the bus depot. Will you help me?
I help you.
Great. It's over there. Hello, I'm Joe, and I have some deliveries for you. This is Jack. He is helping me today.
Hello, Joe. Hello, Jack. Oh, I'm pleased to meet you.
Easy.
It's nice to meet you too.
My bus is late. But come on in.
Okay.
Ah, so you want the deliveries to get the bus ready.
How did you know that?
Because I have deliveries for you.
My deliveries are bin bags, water, and oil.
You need to clean the bus.
Yeah, the bus is very untidy. Come on, I'll show you.
Okay.
Let's love sign. Bus. Bus. You sign. Bus. Good. Bus.
Look at all of this rubbish.
Yeah.
Will you help me clean this up?
Yes.
Yes.
I have an idea. Wait here. Wait.
Hey.
I have deliveries. Hi, Jack. Can we go to town now?
No.
Why? There's no oil in the engine.
But are broken?
Don't worry. Wait here.
We're gone.
Let's love sign. Be careful. Be careful. U sign. Be careful. Good. Be careful.
Okay.
Thanks, Jack.
Go.
Oh, thank you, Jack.
Bye-bye.
Let's go, come on, Jack.
There's enough, yeah? Perfect. Good job. So, the bus is working now,
Yeah.
but we still have to wash the bus.
Yeah.
Do you have another delivery for me?
Yes! Wait here.
A bucket and a sponge.
Oh.
Too small?
Yeah. I'm done.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy,
Hello, Daddy.
Hello, Jack.
Come on. Come on.
Oh, hello. I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery. Today, I'm making balloon animals. Now, what will I make next? Oh, I must finish my horse.
Hello, Joe.
Oh, hello, Aisling.
Did I hear a horse?
No, no.
Are you ready for some deliveries?
I'm always ready.
Today, Joe, you will be delivering a bed, shampoo, and a hat to the horse riding stables. And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you.
Hello, Joe. I'm Rory.
Rory and Leah are waiting for you. They will help you with your deliveries.
Good. Let's go. Let's go.
Hello, horsey. I love horses. Where is Rory? Hello, horsey. Do you know where Rory is? No?
Ah, there you are.
Hello, I'm Joe.
Hello, Joe.
Hello.
I'm here to go horse riding.
First, we have to do some work. We must clean the stable for the horse.
Okay, let's clean the stable for the horse.
Let's love sign. Horse. Horse. You sign. Horse. Good. Horse.
Hello, horse.
Now, let's get to work. Good. Now to work. This is a bit smelly.
That's why we clean it.
Joe!
Now the stable is clean.
Now we can go horse riding.
Wait, the horse needs a bed.
My first delivery. Wait here.
That is not a bed for a horse.
Oh.
Yes, Joe, that is a bed for a horse.
I know.
Let's love sign. Bed. Bed. You sign. Bed. Good. Bed.
Now can we go horse riding?
No, not yet. The horse needs her shower.
I knew that.
And the horse needs shampoo for her shower.
Ah, delivery number 2. Wait here. Horse shampoo.
Good shampoo.
Now, the horse can have her shower.
Water. Oh.
Oh dear.
Oh, I'm wet.
What's going on?
The horse is clean. Now can we go horse riding?
No, you have to change your clothes.
Let's love sign. Horse riding. Horse riding. You sign. Horse riding. Good. Horse riding.
I've changed my clothes. Now can we go horse riding?
No, we need a hat to go horse riding.
A hat. Delivery number 3. Wait. Come on.
Let's go. Let's go. No, no.
The right hat?
No. No. Oh dear.
Hello. I'm Joe,
And this is Ozzy. Working hard. We're very busy. Together, we visit town and country. We're making friends with every delivery. I'm making my breakfast. I'm so tired.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, Aisling.
Come on, Joe. It's time for delivery.
Good.
Today, Joe, you will be delivering basketball shoes and a ball to the basketball arena.
Wow! Basketball! Yes!
And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you.
Hi, Joe. I am Elliot.
Elliot and his coach Ed are waiting for you. They will help you with your deliveries.
Good. Oh.
Joe, you're so silly.
I'll see you later, Ozzy.
Hands up. Hands up.
Hello, I'm Joe.
I am Elliot. This is my coach, Ed. My coach is silly. I love sports.
Good, because I'm an athlete.
Good. I'm playing basketball.
Let's love sign. Play. Play. You sign. Play. Good. Play.
Are you okay, Joe?
Yes, I'm okay. Ah! So this is the basketball court.
Yes.
I love basketball. I'm really good at basketball.
Are you ready?
Yes!
And let's go.
Wait!
Your shoes.
Where is my basketball shoes?
Basketball shoes? My first delivery! Wait here! Ah, basketball shoes.
That is not my basketball shoes. That is dancing shoes.
Dancing shoes?
Yes.
I love dancing.
You are silly, Joe.
Stop. Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say,
Dizzy,
Dazzy, Dazzy.
There's my basketball shoes.
Now,
Now,
let's play basketball.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's love sign. Basketball. Basketball. You sign. Basketball. Good. Basketball.
No. Oh. I'm really good at basketball too, Elliot. This ball is broken. It's broken. Don't worry. My second delivery. Wait here.
This ball is a shame.
No, this ball is good. Look.
This is the trophy wheel.
Wow. Look at all these trophies. And this is the Dizzy Deliveries Cup.
Yes.
We're having a match this afternoon.
Can I play?
No.
Why?
It's for athletes.
But I'm...
But first, we have to change our clothes.
Let's love sign. Close. Close. You sign. Close. Good. Close.
Please, can I play in the match?
No. But we do need a referee.
Thank you. Now, I want a good, clean match. That's 1 point for the Dizzy Deliveries team.
point for the blue team. And another point for the Dizzy Deliveries team. Blow it, blow it. It's a draw, and the next team to score wins. Elliot passes it to his brother. It's Elliot's team that's gonna lift the trophy today.
Well done. Your team won the Dizzy Deliveries Cup. Now it's time to go. Bye.
Thanks, Joe.
Bye-bye, Joe.
Oh, hello. I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery. Today, I've a lot of work to do. I'm packing saucepans.
Joe.
Ah, hello, Aisling.
I can see you've been busy packing.
Yes.
That's great, but I have some deliveries for you.
I love deliveries. I'm a really good delivery man.
Today, Joe, you will be delivering a key, trousers, and a mandolin to the concert hall.
Amazing!
The band need your help to put on a special concert for the children. And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you.
Hi, so I'm Grace.
Grace and her dad, Carl, will help you with your deliveries.
Good. Let's go.
It's cold.
Where is the concert hall?
Joe!
Ah, hello, Grace.
Hello, Joe.
Wait.
Michael!
Hello, I'm Joe.
Hi, I'm Carl. This is Grace.
Hello, Grace.
Hi, Joe.
Will you help me with my deliveries? Great, let's go.
Lock.
Oh, look at you, Joe. What's it doing? Really? With a little key.
Can't open the door.
Let's love sign. Open. Open. You sign. Open. Good. Open.
The door won't open.
Yeah.
We need a
Key.
Hey! Oh, I remember. Wait here.
That's funny. Take on a key.
Joe. This is the band.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Are we nearly ready?
Yes! Oh, I can't wait to hear you sing.
Let's love sign. Sing. Sing. You sign. Sing. Good. Sing.
Let's go.
Ooh, I look so good.
I have a great voice.
I'll be riding shotgun underneath the Hudson. I'm feeling like a someone.
Shall I like the outfit, lads? What about the trousers?
Oh, trousers? Wait here.
Let's love sign. Trousers. Trousers. You sign trousers. Good. Trousers.
Oh, Grace, I'm so tired. I've been working really hard.
Joe, we've one more delivery. Where's the mandolin?
Oh, wait here. Mandolin.
That's not a mandolin. It's a trumpet. Where's the mandolin?
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Boys and girls, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. It's Grace and her band.
Time flies by and the yellow and green stick around, and you see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone.
Oh no.
Thank you, Grace. I've had a great day, but now I have to go. Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye, Joe.
You see, I've traveled around. I've been all over the world. And boys, I've never seen nothing like a Galway girl. Hello, hello, here comes Joe. We have parcels now, let's go. Hello, hello, Ozzy too.
Hey, Ozzy. He's playing our song. La da 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 da.
Hello, Ozzy too.